30-foot repairs, 4-inch, 6-inch pipe, 3-inch pipe. But what we're demonstrating here is more for the main lines. This is going to be a bit of a different type of material. This is actually a polyurethane coated liner material with a needle punch felt back. It's not going to be as, there's no alarming odors or refrigerants needed. And he's simply going to mix that. It's 2 parts A to 1 part B. The sectional repair kits, like I said, come with everything you need in them. The resin is pre-measured. You've got everything from goggles to ground protection, your intertubular material, your fiberglass felt mat, your carrier protectors, pretty much everything you need to put that kit in place. To release the air so that you get it. Repair look. Yeah. Just saws it in. The guy's down there with his gun and the pipe. He got his leg up. We were laughing.
Like them old guys come out with their well work to shoot down on the shotgun, re-crack it. Yep. Take the lap and then the water goes back.
They become part of the repair. You don't even see inside this part. Yeah. That was a good question. He said, what happens with the zip ties once they pop in the pipe? They actually become part of the repair, melt right in. You can't even tell that they're there.
Right on the top, baby.
Where's the better at? She actually came? Did you pull an hair? So you can actually see as they wet this out, it'll change colors. They can tell when they're saturated. They're virtually going to use all the resin in the 2 buckets that they've mixed. Because this is, you know, it comes in a kit format. It is job specific. Now, once they've got it wet out, they're just going to wrap this up. Wrap like you'd wrap a burrito and apply those low pressure zip ties. We want to get it as tight as possible and keep it as close to the packer as we can. Cured, we're going to pull it back out the other way, and this will actually invert on itself so that it can peel away from the pipe and come out very easily.
Hey, make sure he doesn't get anything.
Stop talking.
Huh? Yeah, like 1 foot.
How many days you use?
How many days? And he's from
Yeah, he won't spray that.
I don't know, I can't see it.
Hey, pull up the slack. Notice how flexible this is.
Yeah, you can see how flexible that packer really is. So there's no real need for these guys to actually get into a manhole, or you eliminate your confined space entry. Like I was saying before, this packer actually also has a flow through on it. so that you can alleviate upstream head pressure so that there's no necessity for bypass pumping if you're under 30% capacity. Now once he's got that in place, he's just going to air it up, at which point they'll leave it for a period of 3 hours while it cures.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, is that why you
Air it up, Dougie.
You gotta stay on top of that.
Just in case it pops.
What's the cure time on this?
Yeah, good question. The cure time is the same. It's a 3-hour cure time. Yeah, but while it's curing, you could go do another one in another section.